Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make sugar cookies. It's a perfect recipe for Christmas, so let's get started. Okay, so get a large mixing bowl and put in 2.5 cups of plain flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it together. Now, put it to the side. Alright, in a large mixing bowl, stand mixer or hand mixer, put in 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, and 1 1/3 cups of sugar. Now we just want to cream it together to it's light and fluffy. Alright, so now that's light and fluffy. Now you want 1 large egg plus 1 egg yolk. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now beat all this into it's well combined. And now you get the dry ingredients and scrambled roast beef. Now preheat the oven to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And get a good sized baking tray, grease it and put parchment paper on it. And now just roll the mixture into balls. That's a good sized bowl. And then get a small bowl of sugar, like 1/4 cup, and just roll it in the sugar. Like this. And then place it on here. And then just keep repeating that until all the dough is gone. Alright, once you wait out the cookies, just flatten them. Now put this in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes and then it should be done. Alright, these are ready. They're absolutely beautiful. Now just leave this here for about 5 minutes to cool down and then transfer to a plate or a cookie jar and we can eat. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for sugar cookies. As you can see, oh, they're so beautiful and they're really nice to have warm. So Try it. Nice, soft, and chewy. Just the way I like them. So thank you guys so much for watching the new recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you for a new recipe. Peace out.